All right, it has been like it's been like 9 days since I last came to 24 Greenway. Now I'm back again. Look at the new escalators. They actually put an LED light on there. So look at that. Look at that. Look under the railing. That's the new LED. So we're probably gonna take a ride on this. So let's go. This is the brand new ThyssenKrupp escalator. Look at that. Brand new LED lights. Look at that up there. That is just amazing. They put on it like, I think they put on it like a week, like literally right after I came, which it was last week ago. Get off here and we'll come down. Here's the Edwards Cinema over there with the Schindler traction elevators with the MT fixtures. Step off. And there you go. See, look at that. The new escalators with new LED lamps on. That is just amazing. So with that said, that'll be it.